Tell me something about you.
Sir. Good morning, sir. I am Lalita, a recent graduate from 2024 with a passion of coding and software developer. I have done front-end and Python programming and enjoyed building logical solutions. I am excited to apply my skills and knowledge in a dynamic environment and grown as a developer. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. What is the difference between section, div, and article?
In HTML, div, section, articles, all are in container elements are a group of content but have different semantic meanings. Div, it is used for styling or layout purpose. Section, represent a self-contained or
And article?
in article.
And what is the purpose of alt attribute in image tag?
The alt attribute and image tag are alternate text for an image. Example, image load failure. If the image failure the load, the alt attribute text is displayed, providing fallback description of an image.
That's good. How do forms and input types work in HTML?
Form and input attributes in HTML allows to user interact with web page by entering the data or making section or substituting information. Form attributes are in two types, action and get method. Action specifies the URL where the form data will be sent. Method specifies the HTTP method get or post when used to send the form data.
What is flexbox? Explain its properties.
Flexbox is also known as flexible box layout, used to allow specific information.
Okay. What is the use of Z-index in CSS?
Z-index property in CSS layout that design the complex layout.
Okay. What are JavaScript functions? How do you define them?
JavaScript functions are reusable.
Fine.
Reusable. The data JavaScript functions are reusable block of code that perform specific task.
That's good. Right?
That's it.
That's it. What is an event listener? How is it used?
An event listener is the functions in JavaScript that performs the specific events occurs or an event such as link, keyboard inputs.
Okay. Explain difference between null and undefined.
Null and undefined are both are primitive values but have different meanings. Undefined, a variable that has been declared but not initialize the value. Null, a variable that has been explicit assign a value but including absence of any object values.
Okay. And what are arrays in JavaScript? How do you manipulate them?
Arrays in JavaScript, the data structure that stores collection of values.
And how do you manipulate them?
Such as links,
Arrays.
Object, number, strings.
Okay. So that's it. Do you have any questions?
No more questions, sir.
Okay. You can leave.
Thank you, sir.